Right now I am just trying to get some work done. My kid is taking a nap. I just got off my walking pad and I figured I would just sit here and kind of just talk about the busyness of this month. It's been a lot of work, I work corporate. I work at a production company, a corporate production company, full-time, and I'm also a dad. So it's been a really busy month. Been working on wedding client stuff, been working on my corporate job, been dadding, doing a lot of dadding. But yeah, my kid's taking a nap. Gonna wait till he wakes up, and then we're gonna continue with the day. Recently picked this up. It is a rangefinder, a Canon QL17. I love the design of this camera. I think it's gorgeous looking. It handles great. The size is great. I don't think I'm a big fan of the rangefinder. I can't really see through it. Like, I cannot get this patch to get in focus. And I think that makes me realize that I think like rangefinders might not be for me. Yeah, let me know if any of you guys have problems with the rangefinders. I think it's because I wear glasses. Contax RX? I think it's the RX. All right, so I have a shoot coming up. I'm basically gonna shoot a model outside, doing a fashion shoot. I basically want to test out some more film cameras, shoot some medium format, shoot some 35mm formats, and basically test out some of the new films I got too. I got Kodacolor 200. Hopefully the weather is pretty good for the shoot, just because LA has been hit or miss right now. So I'm just gonna get my references together and just try to have a good shoot and test out some cameras. No, you look great.